Okay guys, hotel review time. This amazing hotel is called the InterContinental Samui. And she's a beauty, let me tell you. Here's inside the room. Huge room. Absolutely beautiful as well. There's many parts to this hotel, and I'm in the main building. The view here is spectacular when the weather cooperates. On this night, the weather did not cooperate. Beautiful big bed, nice and comfortable, as it should be for a 5-star hotel. A complimentary fruit upon check-in, which was nice. And the bathroom is absolutely huge. The mini bar, fully stocked. And there's tons of drinking water as well. In the nighttime, they brought even more water when they did their turn-down service. The safe is huge. The toilet gets its own little room. Here's the bathroom. Absolutely magnificent. Awesome shower as well. Here's the view, not bad, but it makes for an awesome sunset on a clear night. Here's looking down over the trees. Pretty nice. And that dock there is a part of the hotel. You can actually rent fishing rods and go fishing there. Quite a lot of fish, but they're really small. This is from the lobby looking down. That's how I got to my room. Now we're down by the beach. This is where the main swimming pool is. You need to take a golf cart to get here. You need a golf cart to get anywhere in this hotel. It's all hills and very spread out. Beautiful big swimming pool. There's a restaurant here as well. That's where the restaurant is. I didn't eat there, so I don't know what it's like. Here's looking down on the beach. It's a very nice beach. Not all that long, but very nice. Another look at the pool from the other side. As you can see, not very busy when I was there. Looking up at all the buildings, all of that is a part of this hotel. That's the main building there. That's where I was staying. Here's a look down the beach. Absolutely a beautiful beach. More rooms here down the bottom, and a nice green lawn under the coconut trees. This is in the main building. It's one level below the reception, and this is where the restaurant is, the main restaurant, and where breakfast is served in the morning. There's a bar here as well. Some nights of the week, I'm not sure which nights, they have live music here. And a lot of people come here just for the sunset, which is normally pretty spectacular, but not so much on this night. Here's the bar, pretty nice. Everything lights up, looks nice in the dark. Pretty cool, yeah? This was dinner. Absolutely delicious. The bisque there with the seafood tower, unbelievable, let me tell you. Delicious. The fried fish was good as well, but not as good as the seafood bisque. Add some vegetables as well, stir-fried vegetables. Very nice. And here's the view. Not so bad, that's for sure. This is breakfast in the morning. Like I said, it is served in the same place. I ended up sitting at the very same table. So much selection here, and everything was absolutely delicious. And piping hot, as it should be. And you can order off a menu as well. There's no way of showing everything that's available here. But there's something for everyone, that's for sure. Selection of breads, and you wait for this. You just wait. They got a donut board. How cool is that? Here's breakfast. Really, really good, that's for sure. Absolutely delicious. And like I said, the same view as the night before. And as you can see, it's not a nice day. Here's the view looking down from the restaurant level. This would be pretty spectacular on a nice day. Looks pretty good then. And you can see the swimming pool and all the other buildings below. It's a really, really big area, yeah? Looking the other way. The second pool, it's not very big, and it's located one level down from the bar. Inside the lobby, it's an open air lobby, and it's huge, and there's a bar in here as well. This hotel cost me 7,917 baht for the night, which is about 231 US dollars. It has an 8.9 out of 10 rating on Agoda, which is really, really good, but there's only 881 reviews. I stayed here in November of 2024. I'll add the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out on your dates. It's worth checking out, that's for sure. Like I said, you need a golf cart to go anywhere here, which they do provide, and I didn't have to wait long anytime I wanted to go somewhere. But as you can see, it's a little wet. This is my checkout. This is me going to the car. These are the roads, and there's a lot of them, and they're all basically the same. It's very steep there. Alright guys, there it is. That's my review based on the time I was here. It's a pretty nice hotel. A little pricey for the area maybe, but it's definitely worth it, that's for sure. I had an awesome night here. The food was absolutely delicious, and just sitting at the bar late at night, pretty amazing, let me tell you. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And like I said, link to Agoda in the video description if you want to get more information.